how to fix the error 253 on Mettler Toledo scale. Open the scale data clone, select the previously saved clone and select the current scale. Send the data clone to that scale, and after that, restart the scale. And there you go, it's fixed. Hi, this is Glenn of Rain Access and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a Mettler Toledo scale and it is showing an error 253 code on its LCD. For some reason it just showed error 253 without any warning, but the good thing with this kind of error code is that you are still able to access the system menu by pressing the code 9 asterisk. We're going to attempt and fix it in the Bsoft software. Select the scale data clone and click on the transmit and select the PC to scale. Now we're going to send this existing clone data or from the BRAM file that was previously created from a scale that is working and in good condition. Right now, what you are seeing on the screen is that the Bsoft software is currently sending the binary data from a BRAM file or from the file created by cloning a previously working Mettler Toledo scale. You know, the purpose of creating a clone BRAM file from a working Mettler Toledo scale is to save you the time for configuring each part or section of that scale. And it's done. After this, we're going to switch off and then switch on the scale. It's kind of rebooting it. And there you go. It's back to its operating condition. Now we are going to try and print one of the items that is saved in the list in this Mettler Toledo scale. And I'm using my screwdriver housing to apply weight to the scale. And it printed nicely except for that it is using comma to represent the dot. On our next video, I'm going to fix that issue. It is a good practice to always create a clone in the scale data clone in the Bsoft software. Once you have completed setting up a working scale and you have proven that it is working. Now to create a clone, select the scale to PC and select the Mettler Toledo scale that you wish to clone. In this case, it is this number 3 with the IP address of .21. And just wait for it a little while it's initiating the creation of the BRAM file. There, it is sending those binary files back to the computer and it's gonna save and create a new BRAM file right there in the scale data clone section of the Bsoft in the Mettler Toledo software. Now this Bsoft Mettler Toledo is a proprietary software that is compatible only for the BCOM model of the Mettler Toledo scales. While it is cloning, do not interrupt it. Let it complete the process so that you will have a nice backup of your Mettler Toledo scale setting. Alright, it is now done. And if you have several cloned files, it is always a good practice to add a comment or remark to it. It would be easier to refer to the remarks instead of applying the wrong clone to the scale. This is just to prevent any mistake from happening in the future. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.